Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Vencore network token, and I will tell you my long duration targets, my medium duration targets, and my next immediate short term target for the Vencore token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see this is the CoinGecko Vencore page, and here you can see it is currently trading at $3.26 and currently it reduced 10.3% in 24 hours. This is the 24-hour trading volume, and this is the circulating supply of this token. This is the maximum supply of this token, and this is the market cap of this token, and this is the 24-hour low and 24-hour high price of this token. And this is for a fully detailed valuation, and this is the total valuation locked TVL, and this is the website of this token. If you click on this website, it will bring you to this page. In this website page, or in this website, you can swap different kinds of token and earn interest on it. So please read this and watch this website, and after that please read this network token, and because leverage trading and cryptocurrency is very risky, I will not responsible any of your financial loss. It is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you, and it is just for entertainment purpose only. Here you can see, let me please show you some price statistics, and here you can see it BNT gives 828% in 1 year to all its token holders. This is the gain, this is the profit. Here you can see this is the market cap, this is the total market cap dominance, and market cap dominance 0.03, and trading volume here you can see. And this is the 7-day lowest and 7 days high price, and current rank of this token is 109. This is the all-time high of this token is 10.72% at January 9, 2018, and this is the all-time low of this token, which is 0.120935, and it gives 2,586% in 11 months. And this is the chart, and these are the exchanges or pairs and the markets where you can trade this. And if you want to trade this on Binance, then please go to in this video description, and where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Please click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus, then click on this link of Bybit exchange, and after depositing these amounts, you can get the $600 bonus absolutely free. Let me show you the chart of this token. Here you can see this is the Vencore US 4-hour Binance chart. This is the all-time high 3.75 in the Binance chart, and this is, let me please show you the all-time low in Binance chart. Let me please show you. These are some support levels, and this is the resistance level, and here you can see this is the all-time low at $0.1. This is the all-time low. Here you can see. Now I'm going to tell you my immediate short-term target, so please stay in the video and please watch this video complete, because this is very important video. Here you can see this is the second day price is falling, and here you can see price goes down to 2.92. After that we saw a pullback. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for this token right now. I think definitely it have to hit this target very soon. This is the current major support zone for the BNT, and this is the current resistance zone for the BNT. Let me please tell you immediate short-term target for the BNT right now. Friends, please show your support, and please like this video, and please join my Telegram channel and subscribe my YouTube channel too for more informative stuff like this. Here you can see this is our immediate short-term target of BNT token and Vencore, and $4.7 is our next target. I think definitely it have to go up, and after hitting this zone, which is $3.7, then definitely it have to hit this zone, which is $4.7. This is our immediate short-term target for the Vencore right now. If you want to trade, or if you want to invest in this token, then trade or invest at your own risk. These are some support levels, and let me please tell you my immediate short-term, my long duration and medium duration targets for the BNT token. The targets of 1 year, the targets of 6 months, and the targets of 1.5 year, I am going to tell all of these 3 targets for long-term holding. So please focus and please watch this video complete. Please stay in the video, and please friends, if you are a new user, then please visit my YouTube channel, where you can get every kind of technical analysis videos, where you can learn technical analysis too. And let me please tell you my next targets of this token. Please friends, stay in the video. I am going to tell you my targets. This is the fib retracement tool, and here you can see it is currently in this zone 0.78 to 1 zone. Main question is that what is the best time to buy or hold this token? I think Bancor, you have to buy Bancor from that zone, which is $1.90, or you can say $2.3. These are 2 levels I recommend you if you want to buy this, because because this token is on its all-time high, and I think after some time price will drop, and $2.3 or maybe $1.9, or you can say $2 is the best price for you for long-term holdings. Let me please tell you the both targets. Please friends, stay in the video. I think this is the best zone, $1.9, or let me please focus. Let me please draw this. If you buy a BNT from that zone, which is $2.35 level, and hold this token for long-term holdings, then definitely it will give you profit. I think you have, sorry for that, I think you have to put your stop loss from that point. I think this is the best time, best zone where you can put your stop loss at 1.6. I think you have to buy at $2.3 level, and you have to put your stop loss at $1.6 price level. Then let me please tell you my long duration and medium duration targets to all of you. If you buy BNT from that zone from $2.35 level, then definitely it will give you, I think, 150% profit, and will hit $6 in very soon. In this bull run, I am sure that definitely it will hit this zone. Let me please tell you. This is my target of 6 months. I think in 6 months it have to hit $13 price level. I am very sure that it have to hit this zone very price level very soon, within 6 months. This is the target of 6 months. If you buy BNT from $2.3 level and hold until for 6 months, definitely it will give you 400 to 450% profit. I think it is my target. And you have to put your stop loss at $1.6 price level, and your risk will be 31%, and your reward will be 460%, I think. Let me please tell you my 1 year target. I think I am very sure that it have to hit within 1 year. I think definitely, because project is very good. That is why I think that it will hit $20 within 1 year or 1.5 years. This is my last target. I think it have to hit $20 level within 1 year or 1.5 year. This is my very realistic target for all of you, because I am not creating any hype. I am just telling you the real and realistic target. I think this is very realistic. $20 within 1 year or 1.5 year, it have to hit $20. If you want to hold this, or if you want to trade it, and if you want to invest in this token, then please invest or trade at your own risk, because this is not a financial advice. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. Friends, keep supporting me, and please like this video and share this video to all of these token holders and your friends. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friends. Keep supporting